How to turn off message request on Discord. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to turn off message request on Discord. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Discord app on your phone and make sure that you're logged into your account. And here, once you are inside the app, simply tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And here, once you are in your profile section, simply tap on the gear icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And once you are in the settings section, simply tap on content and social. And from here, you can simply scroll down and there you can see the option labeled as message request. So simply toggle off that option, and once you do that, a pop-up menu will appear. From that menu, simply tap on yes, and that's it. That's how you can turn off message request on Discord. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.